In 2017, a grandmother came to me. After a few minutes of me speaking to her, she told me that I have a granddaughter. I've never worked a day in my life. I have very little money to invest, but I want to begin investing for her. I asked her what amount of money does she want to invest every single month. And she told me that she just wants to invest $10 a month. And I think I shocked her when I asked her if she can consistently invest $10 a month. I can work with $10 a month. She just needs to tell me if she can be consistent. She said, yes, I can consistently invest $10, but how can that help my granddaughter? What difference is it going to make? And so I told her that if she continues to invest that $10, it's going to, in the next 20 years, turn into 5,000 something dollars. And even though that sounds not impressive, her granddaughter will have a head start because if her granddaughter was to continue investing more money into what her grandmother had already invested, if she converted that $10, if she began investing $300, God willing and factually based, within the 60 years of her granddaughter's life, she will retire as a millionaire.